welcome to KTC Toy Corner, where we show you the coolest toys. And today I have a ginormous Barbie haul, and I am so excited to show you. So first up, I went to a thrift store in Cabot called Collector's Paradise, and I got this awesome Michael Jackson doll. Look how cool he looks. And I also got this gorgeous NASCAR Barbie. And look, she actually comes with a fabric hat. And she is a vintage Barbie, which I really like, because you don't really get to see that many Barbies like her anymore. And on that, she also came with the racing helmet. And look how cool she looks. I love that look. And then, recently, tonight, I purchased this amazing Barbie, you can be anything, coffee shop. So yeah, now I think it's time that I give you a closer look real quickly just to see what all it comes with. Sorry, I just love seeing what my puppies do. Right. Now, I think it's time for me. I'm sorry, my puppies are super playful. I always like to see what they're up to because they get into the craziest mischief. It's always super funny what all they do. This is a little different. I might need to open it up for this. It is a shame because it is an empty box. Instruction manual, which is very important. I don't think we're going to need that. But if we might, then I'll always have it over there. Now, I just need to take out these little spring pieces at the bottom here, which I cannot ignore the fact that they look like little what is it? They look like little steering wheels to me. So you can make your own like little mini cars or something with these. You can use them as like little steering wheels. I don't know why I thought of that, but I just think that'd be a really fun idea. So here is the actual like little front desk area, which I think is absolutely the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look, you can like put stuff back here. There's like a little vending machine. There's a coffee machine. I don't know exactly how this works yet, but I think this is going to be really cool. So I'm going to put this down here for now. Now I am going to be really careful because look, the box has this cool like coffee shop background, and I really do not want to ruin it because it's a coffee shop. And I don't actually have a Barbie coffee shop yet, so that's why I'm trying to be super careful with the box. So I just now realized that the Barbies are curvy, and I'm really excited about that because I love Barbie curvies. Because, I mean, that's just more and more diversity, and we need more diverse Barbies. So here she is. She has the basic 5 points of articulation. And I just realized something. Why does she look like Rachel if she dyed her hair blonde? Is this Rachel's cousin? I might have to integrate this into Amelia the Mermaid. You might be seeing Rachel as a barista at a coffee shop. You might see that happen. I'm just saying that now. So far, things are going pretty smoothly on the unboxing. I am really scared, though, that I'm going to absolutely destroy this box. Because I have to peel off all this plastic right back there that's holding all this up, which is very concerning. So I really do not want to destroy this amazing packaging. I might be able to salvage it. I don't know. Oh no, no. Oh no. I absolutely destroyed the coffee shop back wall. No! Oh no. Oh no. Oh man. That left a big mark. Look. Yikes. Looks like Wolverine got it or something. I am really mad about that. But now we're able to play with all these accessories. I might be able to fix it somehow. Alright. So I found out that these cups actually come with little lids, which we don't actually really get to see all that with Barbie. More cups with lids that are removable. So I think that's a fun change. I'm just gonna try to pop these out, maybe. I'm gonna try to do this in the easiest way possible. Do you think I'm gonna need a tray? There we go. I got out this little cash register, which I think is really adorable. Cookies. These kind of look like chocolate chip cookies, but I don't know though. They could also be like, maybe like oatmeal cookies or something, which, now I actually think about that, sounds like something that my mom would probably really like. Oatmeal cookies. And these are, I think they're cake pops. Yeah, they're cake pops. I love them. They look so delicious. Look, here's some milk, which I think is awesome, because we don't have enough Barbie milk jugs. It's mainly just the basic cartons. And here is the chocolate syrup, which I think is really adorable. These are actually not that tiny of objects. The tiniest object in here is probably the little chocolate bar, which I thought was going to be made out of paperboard, but it's actually really plastic, which I really like, because we don't get to see enough of that, really. Oh no, is that like a protein bar? I think it's like an oatmeal kind of protein bar. That's hilarious, because I was just talking about oatmeal cookies. Maybe their specialty is oatmeal food as well. I'm assuming that we got the cupcake. Yeah. Here is the adorable cupcake, which I am obsessed with. So yeah. Now I think it's time that we get out all the cups. Already got one out. And the lids fit on perfectly. So yeah. Now, the reason why I've been unboxing Marvel Rising dolls lately is because I just finished watching Doctor Strange Multiverse Madness, and spoiler, I thought it was really interesting actually. It was fun, but it was also kind of crazy. Just stating that. I still haven't seen Spider-Man No Way Home, but I really hope to see it soon. I'm probably gonna watch it like super soon. Alright. So I'm getting out the cups currently, and they are definitely hard for my fingernails. I don't have the longest fingernails. There we go. Got it. Right. So you get like these little inserts and then you're able to put on the little lids. Look, it's like a strawberry milkshake coffee thing. That's adorable. It's like the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Look, they just pop in the little compartments. You can't tell me that's not adorable. Like, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, we need more coffee cups like this. Why am I fangirling over these little cups with the little removable lids? Look, there it is. I'm actually curious. Can my Michael Jackson doll actually hold it since his hands kind of looks like he could maybe hold like a cup or something? And he definitely has the right hand position. Can he? Nope. Okay. Now I think it's time that we get on to the other coffee cup, which I think is adorable. Like, I absolutely love this. Alright, now I think it's time that we get out the blue water bottle, because I think it's really cool. And we also have a white water bottle, which I think is kind of interesting. It's probably like glass water bottle, and it probably got like fogged up over time. But I really like these. I think this is a really fun, interesting thing. Why does this look like blue fruit punch? I'm gonna say that that's what this water bottle is, because that's just what it looks like to me. So I'm gonna go with that. Again, these little yogurt things are super hard to pop out. I might need some scissors, but I don't know. Yeah. I got out the orange, which it is actually pretty big, which I really like because usually they're like microscopic, but I'm glad that they're actually a little bigger because it will make it a lot easier for you to have spoons, you know? You know, that if you wanted to, you could put washi tape on these, or like put tape on them and like write down like a little name, or you can make like your own like cute little labels and like tape the labels on. I might actually have to do that. Alright, so that was all that came in the box, but I am going to show you all the functions of the actual like little stand. Luckily, I have a little doll table, a little doll house, and I'm gonna need to move these items. It's so big that I'm not really gonna be able to be in frame with the camera because it's that big. So yeah. I'm going to use my signature favorite doll room because it's super easy just to put it in there because of how much room there is in it. So I got the doll room up here now. I'm going to tilt the camera down a little bit so you can kind of see the doll room a little better. Now I'm going to set up the little stuff on the table. So first thing to go up is probably going to be the checkout thing, which I'm assuming goes in the bigger hole kind of area. And I think that it probably goes actually facing the little cash register. And now it's time to put like the sweets and stuff in here. So I'm gonna put in the cake pops down here. And then I'm gonna fit the cupcake down here. Then I'm gonna put in the cookies up there. And I think that we have a good setup going. Now we're gonna need our water bottles and the little area. And now it's time to put in the second one, which I feel like is pretty important. There we go. Alright, now I just realized something. Let me check. So you're actually supposed to put in the little flavors, the little things you put in the cups. And you just slide them into these little slots. And you're supposed to spin it around, which, let's say something, it isn't the smoothest, but definitely is really cool. We better put the water bottles back here. Keeps on coming off its little peg thing. Now, I think that we just need to kind of put in this little flavored item. So yeah. Now I think that it's time that I show you why I actually did this. So what you do exactly, the cup is falling down. Alright, now I think that we just need to you're able to spin this little notch on the side around, but what you do is you just press this little lever and look, it falls in there. And you can put a lid on it, which I probably will, but look, it just falls right into the little cup. How cute is that? And now I think that it's time that we put a little lid on it. And we can put it up here, like the lady got the drink, and it's time for you to pick up the drink, you know? Kind of like how it is at, like, Starbucks, we'll say. You know? It's like the real world's cups. Look, the cups are stackable. See, that's adorable little detail. I love this. I love this so much. Like, this is probably the best Barbie playset I've unboxed in a while. Like, you get all these tiny things. Like, and not only that, it's at a really good price too. I think that we should probably move the checkout a little forward. Yeah. Like right there is probably good. And then we put our lady in. And, oh no. I knocked over the little cash register. Don't worry, I got this. Going for a little. Oh, it's over there. Just need to dive in front of the camera here. And I got the little checkout. And we just put it up here. And boom. Instant adorable little coffee stuff. Oh wait, is this? I just realized something. Look, the little coffee cup, like the to-go one, like this. The lid's also removable. That's really cool. I like that. And we can just set it off to the side. And that was my little demonstration of the set. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!